Welcome to Jntu Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to interface this RFID card reader with the given Nodemcu. Here, this is the card reader that is provided to you. So please make sure that the pins matches with the socket provided here, or don't remove this card reader there. So initially, we plug in this into the slot provided. So this will glow the LED on it. Also, we should make some adjustments. Please make sure that the caps are on the downside, that is not towards DH11. The D3 must be connected to SDA. So I am just turning it down. Just plug and play. Similarly, the second one, the D4, must be connected towards the RST, not towards L2. Similarly, the D5 should be connected to SCK and not towards trigger. And similarly, D6 should be connected to MISO, master-ins layout pin, but not towards the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor. So please make sure that all the clips are on the lower side. Similarly, MOSI, master out slave in pin, also should be connected here. Well, one may ask, why are we changing it like this? See, the SPI pins, the serial peripheral interface pins, are fixed on Nodemcu. You cannot choose any desired pin on it. Only those pins are fixed. That's why we have to connect it accordingly only. So on this RFID card reader, if you open the manual, you can see the pinout mentioned over there, that SS pin or SDA pin is connected to D3, SCK D5, MOSI to D7, MISO to D6, RST to D4, 3.3 to 3.3, and ground to ground. So this is the card, and along with this we are using the LCD also for displaying. So I2C LCD, this is I2C LCD. So already it is showing place the card. I have already uploaded the code. So it is displaying the text only because of this I2C bus, that is D1, D2 pins. So almost all pins are used in this program. So this is the lab manual. You can see here RFID based attendance system, and here we are going to make connections as per this, and this is the circuit diagram also. So we have clearly mentioned what are the things we are using here. And actually, for running this code, you need to install a particular library called MFRC522 by Marco Schwarz, which is mentioned in the lab manual also. So as usual, you open the sketch, go to include library, and manage libraries. In the manage libraries tab, you are going to get the MFRC522 once if you type in there. Here you have to type in the search box MFRC522, and if you search it, it will show so many MFRCs, but please try to understand that we are using MFRC522 by GitHub community. So this is the library which is shown as installed here, is what I am using here. So use this particular library. Of course, in your case, you will get install button highlighted. As I have already installed, it is not showing that. After that, click close, and then come to our example sketch which is provided to you. So this is the pinout once again mentioned here, and these are the pins we are using there. So we are using a 16:2 LCD. That's why 16 and 2 address is I2C address is 27 hexadecimal, and also RFID tags supplied to you. Total 8 tags are supplied. So these are already marked over there. So if you look at the tags, there is numbering like 1, 4, and similarly the smaller key chains with 8, etc. So total 1 to 8 is given. So all the cards with numbers are mentioned here. This is the hexadecimal number of each and every tag. This is hard coded, you cannot change it. So these numbers we have given you for information, and then we have created the instances for liquid crystal I2C as well as MFRC522 libraries. And then LCD banner is just the tag to show place the card here on the LCD, and then it tries to begin SPI communication, and also tries to begin the MFRC interface, and then also it begins the LCD. So all these things are done, and then it is actually looking for the presence of a new card. Whenever there is a new card, it tries to get into the information of the card, and if there is no card, it just comes outside. So the routine duty is, if at all the card is returned, new card is returned, new card ID it will print, and as it is ASCII in hex format, we are going to print each and every one in the serial monitor by using this character to string format. And finally, we are going to concatenate. Concatenation means we are going to add bit by bit into some string format. This content is a string, and from there we are going to print it on the serial monitor as well as on the LCD. So on the LCD, whatever card you place, whether it is valid card or invalid card, its number will be returned. It will be printed. For 1 second it will wait. If at all it is known card, it will say card 1, card 2, etc. Already I have given you the numbers in the top. So card 1 is having this particular ID, card 2 is so and so, and here intentionally I have kept the card 8 as unknown, because we have to demonstrate unknown card also. Though it is known, we still call it as unknown. So except card 8, remaining all are known, and they will be printed here. Let us see how it works. So already, of course, uploading process is very simple. Just you click on this by selecting the suitable board, which is ESP12E in our case, and suitable COM port. These two you have to select in each and every program. I have already done it, and then I have clicked the upload button. So after successful uploading, what happens is what we are going to demonstrate now. So let us take this card. So this card is mentioned as card number 1. So the LCD is asking me for placing the card. Now I am putting the card here, and see, it is printing card number 1. Once again it is going back and asking for new card. So let us try. Of course I am putting the card number 4 here. Card number 4. Let me show it together. So I have placed here. It is now showing card 4. But wait a minute, I am putting the card once again. Actually it is showing the card number for just 1 second, and then it is going back. So the card ID is once again printed here. You can see the ASCII code. And similarly, if I place this card number 8, actually card number 8, it shows as invalid card. I am placing it here. It will show unknown. I am keeping intentionally this as unknown. Like this, you can check each and every card. Thank you.